Hey everyone, and welcome to Holy Guacamole. My name is Miss Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple guacamole recipe and a couple different avocado toast recipes as well. So I am going to put my pieces of toast in the toaster oven right now, the little toaster. And for now I'm going to show you first how to make the guacamole. So I already have some pre-cut, I used red onion, you can use yellow or white, and then some chopped up cilantro, and then I do have a lime here already sliced up, salt and pepper, and then I do have my avocado. And you either, if you can cut it yourself, go for it. If you need an adult, ask an adult please. But here's my avocado, and I'm just going to show you how I actually cut it open. So you just go from one end and do it slowly and keep cutting around because there's a seed in the middle. So you just want to cut all the way around. Put your knife down, and then you want to peel it open, like pull it open. Alright, so there is the inside of the avocado. It looks pretty good. You want to make sure that they're black on the outside and not too squishy when you give them a squeeze, because that means they're too overripe. So I do want to show you how to easily get the avocado out. So you just want to spoon here, go to the edge, and make sure that you're using your spoon to get around the whole outer edge and kind of in the middle of it too. Bring my bowl up here, and then you want to scoop it right out, just like that. So in the guacamole I make, I usually keep the seed in with the guacamole. So there was my toaster. And it helps to keep it green. So there's all of it out, and you just want to use the middle of the avocado. So now I'm gonna kind of pull it apart with my spoon, and then you want to mash it up. You can use a masher too, like what you use for mashed potatoes. Or if you want it a little chunkier and thicker, I am actually going to use a fork. So right now I'm just using the spoon to like kind of chop up my avocado in there. And then I'm going to pour my cilantro and onion. Actually, I might use my spoon again and get all that out and put it in to mix it up with the avocado in there. So now you want to mix it up. You want to mash with the fork. Of course, like I said, it can be chunkier or smoother. It depends on how you want it, and it is difficult with the seed in there, but like I said, it helps keep your guacamole green, because sometimes it'll turn brown like the next day. So it might get a little messy, but that's okay. So keep mashing until you want it where you like it. And then, now that I have it somewhat mashed up, I'm gonna mix it a little so that all the onion and all the cilantro get around in it. And I'm going to squeeze my lime in there. So you can put as much or as little lime as you want. So you can keep tasting it and adding more if you'd like. I like a lot of lime. So there's half of one. If you want to put the whole thing, you can. Half is good too, depending on how big your lime is. And then you want to mash. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit, and then I'm going to add salt. So you can keep tasting until you like how much salt is in there. And then here you have it. So there's your guacamole. You can add more onion, more cilantro, lime, salt. You could also add tomatoes if you'd like some. If you'd like to dice up some tomatoes, you can do that too. And then it's perfect with chips. So there's that. And now I'm going to show you some toast recipes and a couple different ones. So I have 2 pieces of toast here, and I already sliced up my avocado pieces. So here's one, and I'm just going to go ahead and use that fork again. And of course, the easy thing to do, it depends on how much avocado you want on it, but I'm just going to put 1/4 of one on my piece of toast here. And it's easy with a fork to kind of mash it up on there, or you could always mash it up before. That works too, but if you don't press down too hard, you can mash up your avocado on your toast. So there you go. There's one. So then I'll show you the first recipe on this one. And I have some mozzarella here, so it's fresh mozzarella. So there's some pieces here, and I'll put 3 on there. One of them's kind of big. So this is just the mozzarella on there, and I have some sliced cherry tomatoes that you can place on there with it. So it depends on how much you want. It is up to you. So I'm going to put that there. And I'm actually going to add some salt on top of this too. Again, as much or as little, depending on how you want your toast. So there's that one. And my last one, I'm going to grab the other 1/4 of avocado here, scrape it off with my fork, scoop it right out, and then I'm going to mash it onto my toast. And this one, I actually have a boiled egg. So I sliced that up. I boiled it in some water, and I sliced it up. So there's my toast. Sliced it up. So now I'm going to put some pieces of my egg on here. So if you're having this for breakfast, it's perfect for breakfast. And again, I will add some salt to my toast. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. So you can make other kinds of toast too. I've seen so many other kinds. You can add strawberries to yours with some balsamic vinegar, depending on what you like to put in there and like to have. So there's some avocado toast recipes and some guacamole for you to try and make. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you try these recipes and let us know how they turn out on the Payless Heights Facebook page, and we'll see you again soon.